This pattern can make a ballerina topper and a flat small rag doll. Using stretch fabric. See how I'm placing the pattern. Place pattern on the fabric. Sew pattern on the fabric so you can follow the sewing lines. Same for the head. What's a ballerina topper? I've created the ballerina for her treasure chest. A beautiful, useful create that serves dual functions. Great DIY for just a special gift. Place, glue the body on top of a plastic container, upcycle containers jars, with screw-off lids. Same pattern, different fabric. Stretch fabric. I'm using upcycled stretch pants as the fabric to learn. The skinning legs and arms are included. The digital PDF download pattern comes with supply list and the body, head, leg, and arms. Cynthia, the artist, has handcrafted the pattern. The ballerina topper are created from this pattern. Make several copies of the pattern because you will sew the pattern on the fabric. The measurements are 6 inches in height and 3 inches wide. Here are a few of the ballerina topper ragdolls I've made from Yes the One pattern. Follow along with me, and I will show you how to make the ballerina topper. Subscribe and enjoy creating DIY ballerina topper. Free digital pattern online. Visit tibyflowerragdolls.com. Online Zoom course offered. Thank you. Subscribe.